Non-human animals play an important role in most people's lives. They feature in our films and stories. They live with us as pets and companions, and we also use them for food. Most people consider themselves animal lovers, while also being animal eaters. But can you really be both? Love is a universal term that can mean a lot of different things. You can love chocolate, just like you can love playing piano. You can fall in love, and then make love. And you can love your gran, and you can love an animal. But love can be a beautiful thing, a powerful feeling of intense affection. So do we love animals? Well, some of them. Humans are animals, and most of us at some point in our lives have felt love for someone, whether it be a family member, a friend, a partner, or ourselves. And most people have a pet, a companion animal who they live with and love. We give them food and warmth and walks, and they give us company. When the carer of a dog or a cat harms their pet, we don't call that love. We usually call it violence and abuse. So can we love and eat farmed animals? If we're considering love as an action and not just a belief, then killing them is definitely not an act of love. So why do we have animal lovers who eat animals? Well, it's because of speciesism. Because we've been taught to see certain animals as our friends and disregard others as food, it's difficult for most people to value the lives of animals like cows, pigs, and chickens. In some cultures, people worship cows, and in others, people eat cats and dogs. But in our selective compassion, there lies hypocrisy. We obviously can love some animals and eat others, but maybe our definition of love is broken. Maybe we need to learn about respect. Because you don't need to love someone to value their existence. You just have to step out of your own bubble and realize that they're having a unique experience that's just as valuable as yours. Life is beautiful, but it's also very fragile. If we're careless, we'll cause suffering either to ourselves or to others. So how do we learn to respect each other? We don't need new technologies or studies. We do it by reaching a state of simplicity, where we step back from our habits and traditions and look at what really matters. Love is the driving force that keeps the world beautiful. It medicates the fear and the hate. But it's not about beliefs. It's about actions, collectively put into practice every day. In a lot of ways, our language is broken. So many insane things have been normalized, and we've forgotten what it means to be human. We've disconnected from the consequences of our actions because deep down we're scared of confronting reality, and we're lost in a sea of distractions. When we treat an animal with love and respect, we allow them to develop their character and enjoy the simple beauty of life. But when we starve them of kindness and commodify their existence, what kind of world do we create? Suffering is a part of life that's out of our control. But when we choose to directly inflict it on the innocent and normalize it in our culture, we replace love with indifference and end up excusing injustice. But it doesn't have to be this way.